your scar is. So you Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to use silicone to get rid of a scar. So as you can see here, it's suitable for trauma burns, bone scar operation, hypertrophic scar, acne scar, and keloid pregnancy. So I will be using it. So I did got this one last year. It pretty much I've finished almost everything, but you know the result is very well, how will I put it? It's not as, you know, as drastic and as, you know, very effective. I think it's effective, but it's not fast. That's the word. It's not really fast like picosecond. So if you're a very patient person, that's when you can actually see this, so you can see the effects. So this is how it's up to this point. I was the one that used it up to this one. So one of the reasons why I don't like using this is because it falls off easily. But one of the good stuff is that if it falls off and you happen to, you know, see it, you can just reuse it. You can just wash it and reuse it. It's reusable. So maybe you use it and you don't know where it falls off because it's easy to fall. It falls off easily, like if you use it on scarves. That's what I mean. So after one use, it begins to lose its elasticity. So yeah, that's one thing I don't like about it. So this is how it is. So I'm just going to use my scissors and cut the desired, you know, you cut it as according to how big your scar is. So you cut it according to how big your scar is, so you just place it on it. So I will just you know, cut it this much, like this. So I have two, so I can apply this two on my face. So I'll show you how I apply it on how I put it on my face. So yeah, so now I have two of this silicone gel, as you can see here. Yeah, so I'll just apply it on my face. I'll show you how to do that. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys how to just apply it on the scar. So this is the length I have. As you can see how I cut it. So you cut it according based on your scar length and size. So this is my scar length and this is the size. So I will putting it on one. This place is pretty much healed. So it just needed to, you know, level. So that's pretty much all. So you just place this here like this. Place it on it like this. So that's pretty much it. So I think this is one of the easiest. So, and it's not painful. Just one of the benefits of using the silicone is that it's not painful, but it's just that the changes or the effects, or you know, you want to see change when you do something. It takes time for you to notice a change or something. So that's one of the things that discouraged me from using it most of the time. So again, if you're going to use it, maybe you don't use it on fresh wound, please. You don't use it on fresh wound. You just use it on wound that's completely healed, and it's not, you know, it's not for long. You know, that's the only time you can actually notice change. So yeah, and you can leave it on for 6-7 hours, depending on, you know, the time you cut in your hands. So you can just put it on, and you can be doing other things. So one of the things I like about it is that, so the moments, well, one thing is that after first using it, you know, it begins to lose elasticity. It doesn't stick to your skin anymore, but you can wash it and reuse it again. So yeah, that's pretty much all for, you know, silicone. So let's jump right into the video. Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel again. So today we'll be talking about silicone and how to use silicone to remove your scar. So I hope you enjoyed that little clip that I put before this video. So the silicone I'm using is this one. I ordered this one last year before I ordered picosecond, so I didn't really see a very drastic change. So I was like, okay, fine. I needed something very fast. I needed something very fast and effective. So I had to go for the picosecond, but I got this one. So those of you that can afford, you know, picosecond, because it's kind of expensive, but not too expensive, not like the main, or it's a little bit expensive. So if you can afford that one for now, I will. This one is around I can't really remember how much I got it, but in Nigeria I think I got it for like 2,000 naira on Jumia. So the link is in the description box. The link to get something like this is in the description box. So if you want to get it, just check in the description box in order for something like this. Okay, so yeah. So as you can see from the description, I'm just going to explain a little things about this silicone gel so you have an idea of it. So sorry, let's go. Okay, silicone gel contains long chain silicone polymer. So silicone dioxide and volatile components. It's reported to be effective and produce listen to this one. It is reported to be effective and produce 86% reduction in texture, 84% reduction in color and of scar, and 68% reduction in height of scar. Let me read it again so you have an idea. So it is reported to be effective. It produced 86% reduction in texture of the scar, okay, 84% reduction in color of the scar. So if you have like a dark scar, so it's going to reduce 84% percentage of chance of reducing the color of the scar, and 68% in reduction in height of the scar. So you should have you have an idea of that. So this actually help you to do that. So it helps to increase hydration of stratum, which I don't know. So, and conium, and facilitate regulation of fibroblast production and reduction in collagen production, which results into softer and flatter skin or flatter scar. So what I would advise you here is, the reason why I'm putting this video out here is for you to, so that immediately after you, okay, let's just assume that after you've done with your picosecond and everything, you can just take, this is how it is, I already showed you in the picture. So you can just take like a little bit of it and place it on the scar, okay, and since it helps to reduce, so this kind of make the whole work very fast. It makes the whole thing very, very fast. It makes recovering process very fast. So since you have this, you can just, after the 2 weeks, mind you, you don't use this thing, you don't use this one on wounded surface or wounded skin. You don't use it, please, okay? You only use it for places that are already scarred and it's completely healed, but it's scar, okay? So you just use it on it. So if you've recovered from your your scar process and everything, you want to just use this to help fasten the whole process, okay? So I'm not saying there's going to be drastic, but there's going to be change if you're actually using it. So yes. So then here it says silicone gel reduces itching discomfort associated with scar. You want to so, but this process is effective in scar that has not been long, you understand, which means that you can notice change as early if the scar is still fresh, like recent surgical scar or recent cuts. But for scars like travel mark that has been long, it has to notice early change, okay? So side effects of silicone gel are few and minimal, except you have allergic reaction to silicone. It is not painful. So that's one of the benefits. It is not painful. It is very easy to use. It's the only thing is that if you have the only problem is that if you have allergic reaction to silicone. So that's one of the effects. So if you don't have allergic reaction to it, you're fine, okay? So it also helps prevent scar tissue from bacterial invasion. So yes, I wanted to make this video as short as possible. So since you've seen the clip and all that, I just want to say a few words to it. So if you're trying to buy this, so it's good, but it's just that it takes very long. I don't know, it takes years before it's I'm exaggerating. You're gonna see change, but not as drastic as picosecond. I'm not trying to hype picosecond as if it's the whole thing in the world. You're not gonna compare picosecond and and this one. So that one is very fast and effective, and this one too is effective but not so fast. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm so grateful. Before you go, please try and subscribe and like, share this video. It means so much to you. Take care. Bye. God bless you.